Hi, I'm Penny from InDesign International. Melbourne, lockdown again? Can you be serious? Come on into my home office. I'll show you what we've done in here. Fortunately, when I first moved to Melbourne, the house that we selected to live in had a dedicated front office, which was going to be my home studio for the short term while I was waiting to set up the commercial practice. So we had heaps of room, plenty to spread out, and you can see I've got a little cluster of things going on over here in the corner. Things that I love to keep beside me. All of my glasses. I have a lot, and it's not because I'm a collector of glasses, it's because I have dreadful eyesight, so I need one for every occasion, which is hilarious. We always have music playing in the studio, so we've got our little Sonos, which we brought home with us. Something that's very, very dear to my heart. A little record from the Princess Bride theme song. And then I actually have over here, I might come a little bit closer so you can see, the invitation to our final year exhibition when I was a student graduating from Interior Design University. We have just enough space in our little room. Our visitor's table, right now the only visitor around to have is this little guy, so he's taking precedence at the moment. We have an ornamental fireplace, the same sort of design that we have in the living room, and above that some beautiful knives that we collected while we were on holidays in Morocco, which I recently had framed and set in the box. Keeping things simple in a small space is a great way to make things look a little larger than perhaps what they really are. You'll notice that we have combinations of black, timber, grey, silver everywhere you look. I had a bit of fun with our light. Instead of putting something traditional up, I have made a mobile with some very interesting quirks and quotes from famous people around the world. One of my favourites, live fast, die young, reincarnate, live happily ever after. What looks like a plain white wall is in fact a giant whiteboard. We've put this here so that we can make our massive to-do list and no one gets in trouble for writing on the wall. What's on a designer's desk? All right, confessions. I've definitely tidied up compared to the usual, but what I'm reading at the moment is a little bit of history of the story of Sub-Zero and Wolf. Being inspired by Thanks for joining us today. Always a pleasure having you in my home, especially during lockdown. If you have any queries or questions, indesigninternational.com.au. Ciao, see you next time.